Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw XRP from Binance to Trust Wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you move your XRP securely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, let's dive right in. First, ensure you have both the Binance and Trust Wallet apps updated and ready to go. Start by logging into your Binance account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet or Funds section. It's usually at the top of the dashboard. Next, locate XRP in your asset list and select it. Then, click on the Withdraw button. This is where things get precise. You'll need your Trust Wallet address. Open your Trust Wallet app, go to your XRP wallet, and copy the address. Double-check it to avoid any costly errors. Back in Binance, paste the address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of XRP you want to withdraw, but keep an eye on the network fees, which might have changed in 2025 due to updated blockchain protocols. For security, always enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, before proceeding. Review all the details one last time, then hit Confirm. You'll receive a confirmation notification or email. Now, switch to your Trust Wallet and refresh the app to see your XRP arrive. It should only take a few minutes on the XRP Ledger network. A quick tip for 2025: crypto regulations are tightening, so verify any new KYC requirements on Binance and ensure your wallets are compatible with the latest updates. That's it. You've successfully withdrawn your XRP. If this guide helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below. Stay safe out there in the crypto space, and thanks for watching.